Look around you right now. Almost every single device keeping you warm, fed, entertained, and alive relies on an invisible force, the flow of electrons through copper wires, electricity. It powers your smartphone, pumps water into your kitchen tap, preserves food in your fridge, and lights up your room. Now imagine a sudden, permanent shift in the fundamental laws of physics. Electromagnetism breaks down. Electrons are physically incapable of flowing through conductors. Batteries stop releasing energy, generators refuse to spin out current, and microchips freeze forever. Welcome to a world where electricity vanishes forever. Second one, the total blackout. Every light bulb on Earth instantly winks out. Your laptop screen, TV, and smartphone snap to black. From space, the glowing night side of Earth turns completely dark in a split second. Cars on high-speed highways suddenly lose power steering, fuel injection, and headlights. Thousands of car crashes occur simultaneously as vehicles coast blindly in the dark. In the sky, modern commercial jets suffer catastrophic electrical failure. Fly-by-wire computer systems shut down, leaving pilots unable to control flight surfaces. Hospitals enter immediate life-or-death crisis. Backup diesel generators fail to start because their electric starters cannot fire. Vulnerable patients on life support lose vital monitoring in seconds. By hour 2, the real infrastructure crisis begins. Most people assume water comes from rivers, but it actually comes from electric pumps. Without electric pumps pushing water through underground mains and up into high-rise buildings, municipal water pressure drops to zero. Running water vanishes from homes worldwide. Gasoline pumps at gas stations stop working. Even though underground tanks are full of fuel, there is no way to pump it into cars. Transportation grinds to an absolute standstill. By day 3, the financial system completely vanishes. Modern money is 90% digital, existing only as electronic bits on server hard drives. Credit cards, debit cards, ATMs, and bank accounts are gone forever. Paper currency becomes temporarily useless because no store can calculate prices or verify balances. The global economy reverts instantly to direct bartering. Food in refrigerators and grocery store freezers spoils completely. Massive food shortages hit major metropolitan areas that rely on daily truck deliveries. As the initial panic settles, humanity realizes a profound truth. Electricity is gone, but mechanical physics still works perfectly. Gravity, combustion, pressure, and mechanical leverage are still 100% functional. Humanity doesn't return to the Stone Age, we return to the 19th century steam age. Engineers and scientists focus entirely on mechanical innovation. Coal-fired steam engines are rebuilt to power factories, mills, and water pumps. Bicycles, horse-drawn carriages, and mechanical hand-crank vehicles replace cars. Factory assembly lines switch from electric robotics to complex pulley and belt systems. Global communication transforms entirely. The internet, email, and mobile phones are replaced by mechanical telegraphed sounders and pneumatic tube postal networks. Countries build massive networks of mechanical optical semaphores, giant tower arms on hilltops that flex to spell messages across miles. Letters and newspapers printed on manual Gutenberg-style printing presses become the primary news source. Without high-rise elevators and electric water pumps, cities become completely uninhabitable. Nobody wants to walk up 80 flights of stairs carrying buckets of water. Cities undergo a massive horizontal migration. Suburbs and small agricultural towns expand rapidly as people move closer to farmlands and rivers. The night sky experiences a breathtaking restoration. Light pollution vanishes entirely from the planet. For the first time in a century, humans in cities can look up and see the Milky Way with absolute clarity. Nighttime shifts from a high-energy work period back to a natural time of rest, storytelling, and candlelit conversation. New mechanical computing technologies emerge. Instead of microchips, mathematicians build giant mechanical calculators powered by clockwork gears and water weights. Mechanical computers fill entire rooms, clicking loudly as they perform calculations without a single millivolt of power. Human culture undergoes a profound social shift. Without smartphones to stare at, social isolation plummets. People spend evenings reading physical books, playing musical instruments, and engaging in face-to-face community gatherings. Attention spans lengthen, and mental health improves as constant digital notifications vanish forever. It proves that electricity is not civilization itself. Electricity was merely a fast shortcut. True civilization is human ingenuity, cooperation, and adaptability. We don't need copper wires and silicon chips to build a meaningful, thriving world. So the next time your phone battery dies or the power flickers during a storm, don't panic. Look up at the stars, take a deep breath, and remember that the spark that truly matters was never in the wire. It was always inside us.